Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at dividend stocks. Going to make another dividend stock purchase in the amount of $100. Like I said before, if you keep investing $100 consistently for 40 years, you'll become a millionaire. Pretty much it's inevitable. So here we go today. I've been doing a little bit more than that recently. So today I'm going to get some Invesco mortgage capital. Let's go through some of the things. The chart, it had a high of like $16, $17, but it really got hit hard, right? Around March, April last year, like everybody else. Just never recovered. Okay? Now they have a really good dividend, but I wouldn't count on that for the long term. This is more of a growth play. I would say it's dividend and growth, right? It's both. You can see the earnings after FY Q2 in 2020 recovered pretty nicely. They're making a pretty good sum now. And so I'm going to pick some of that up. They just announced their dividend. And today's the last day to get in. So just wanted to get in before it's a little too late. Overall, it's a good company. Mortgages have been on fire, maybe down a little bit when rates go up. But overall, rates are super low. They should be making tons of money. So let's take a look. Let's buy $100. So yeah, it's that easy. Order completed. View the order. Done. Alright guys, tell me what you think about the stock. And maybe we'll do some crypto next time. Like I said before, we keep investing, creating that passive income. That's my ultimate goal, is to get in the next 9 years, 10 years, so I can stop working my regular day job and just have passive income. That's ideal. Alright guys, good luck out there. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.